Hi friends, welcome to all of you. Today we are going to the new topic processing of milk. Myself, Dr. K.D. Mori, working as assistant professor in the Department of Animal Husbandry and Dairy Science at Kekewa College of Agriculture, Nasik. In processing of milk, the contain under the topic, the first point is introduction, then receiving of milk, then processing method of milk, then after preheating, then after filtration, clarification, and back to fugation, then after cooling of raw milk, then storage of raw milk, then standardization of milk, then after homogenization, then pasteurization, then packaging and storage, and last one is the marking. Okay, these are the different points under the processing of milk. So let us go the first point, introduction. The processing of milk is nothing but it is an operation is carried out on the milk plant from receiving of milk to the consumption of milk is known as processing of milk. Okay, means firstly to collect the milk from milk collection center, and then after all the processing you have to done, and then after the milk is processed up to the packaging and then after consumption of milk, that is called as processing of milk. In the total milk production of India is 176.4 metric ton. In total milk production, 46% milk is used as liquid milk consumption. Okay, in that particularly 33% use that is preparation of different milk products, then 7% of kava, then 3% of then 4% of piston products. Okay, the total contribution is 46%. Milk is used as a liquid milk consumption, and 53% of milk is for processing, and less than 5% of milk used as a sole purpose. Okay, that is the total for 100% proportion of milk and the distribution like that. Okay, then next point is the department under the processing line, such as firstly purchasing, then after preheating, then filtration, cooling, storage, then standardization, homogenization, pasteurization, then packaging, storage. These are the different processing line. Then after next is the receiving of milk. Milk may be delivered to the milk plant in can or containers, and the milk is container has to graded, then emptied, then measure by weight or volume, then sample, bulk to the provide continuity of supply of the pasteurizing equipments. Okay, then let us go the these are the operation of milk is subdivided into the following points. First is the firstly unloading the milk. Okay, the milk unloading in the containers. Uh, okay, then after the milk is grading. Okay, some grade milk is divided into the grading system. Then after sampling under the sampling, this type of milk is the sampling is depends on the quality of milk. Then after weighing, one more operation, and last one is the testing of milk. Okay, then next is the processing method of milk. In processing method of milk is first is the preheating. The milk is preheated at 35 to 40 degrees Celsius. Then after filtration, clarification, and bacterification. These are the three terms is main object of this to remove the dirt then dust, then any foreign particle from milk by centrifugal force. Okay, that is called as filtration. And bacterification means the complete 99% removal of complete 99% of bacteria from milk with by centrifugal force is called as bacterification. Then after cooling of raw milk, then storage, then standardization, homogenization, pasteurization, packaging and storage, and these are the processing methods. So let us go what is by preheating. Already you have to know the milk is preheated for efficient filtration or clarification. Okay. Then it is cooled. The milk is sent for filtration clarification. It will hampered by heating the milk to 35 to 40 degrees Celsius. The viscosity of milk decrease and results into the better filtration clarification. And the filter for preheating of equipments used may be plate and tabular heater. These are the equipments used for the heating of milk. Then after second is the filtration and clarification or bacterification. Uh, the object is to improve the aesthetic quality of milk by removing the visible foreign matter. Okay. In that first is the filtration. Filtration means the to remove the visible foreign particles by the straining process. One of the best this filtration machine used by this machine to remove the visible particle from milk. Okay, then second is the clarification. In that clarification, this is also same object as like to the filtration to remove the visible foreign particles by centrifugal. Next one is the bacterification. Bacterification means to remove the bacteria and spore along the visible particles. Okay, the bacterification removes 99% bacteria in milk by the centrifugal force, and it is claimed that the methods triple of the shelf life of market milk. Okay, then after to remove the bacteria and then with two centrifugal clarifiers in a series, first operating high velocity near about 20,000 rpm revolution per minute. Then after cooling of raw milk, already to known the milk cooling at below 5 degrees Celsius. So the milk contains some microorganisms. When the drawn from udder, they grow well at 20 degree to 40 degrees Celsius. Then development of organic acid, then of flavors, ultimately spoilage of milk. Okay. Then store the milk at below 5 degrees Celsius. Then these are the methods of cooling, surface cooling methods and jacket what tank. Okay, then after storage, what type of storage tank used for storing of milk? That is the modern milk plant require to hold raw milk and pasteurized milk for period than much longer period than before next processing. Okay, these are the object is the to maintain the milk at low temperature, then to facilitate bulking of raw milk supply, which ensure uniform composition, then to facilitate last one to facilitate the standardization of milk. These are the different objectives. Then after what are the types of the storage tank? What type the each of the storage tank used for milk as a milk is storage. First one is the insulated or refrigerated tank storage tank. Then second is the horizontal type. Okay, then next is the vertical type, then rectangular or cylindrical or oval shape also. Then build for gravity flow, then air pressure or vacuum pressure. These are the type of the storage tank. Then next one is the standardization of milk. The standardization is a very important term in our uh, dairy industry. The main object or main aim of the standardization is to adjustment or raising or lowering the fat or acidity of milk to desired level so as to conform to legal standards or other requirement prescribed. Okay, and then second is the this milk is whole fat in a contain. have been adjusted to certain predetermined level. Okay, then this is under the PFA rules, so Prevention for Adulteration Rules 1976. The standardized milk for liquid consumption should contain minimum 4.5% fat and 8.5% SNF throughout the country. This is the uh, standards of standardized milk. Okay. Then pasteurization of milk, the main object or main aim of the pasteurization milk is heating of every particle of milk at 63 degrees Celsius for 30 minutes and 72 degrees Celsius for 15 seconds, and this milk is immediately cooled at 5 degrees Celsius or below. That is called as pasteurization of milk. Then this is the history. Who scientist is the discover this term pasteurization? Louis Pasteur in France, 1960 to 64. They demonstrated heating of wine at different temperature, that is 122 to 140 degree Fahrenheit, that is 50 to 60 degrees Celsius, and kill the spoiled microorganism or organism and helps to preservation. Okay, this is the one more method. Then after standardization or the standards of milk pasteurizer, to complete the distinction of pathogen, then negative phosphatic test, then list of damage to the cream line. Okay, then these are the different methods of pasteurization: in bottle pasteurization, then LT pasteurization, ST pasteurization, vacuum pasteurization, then UST pasteurization, then Stasani pasteurization. These are the pasteurization methods. Then homogenization, the main object of homogenization, the forcing of milk through homogenizer with an object of the subdividing the fat globules, and the size of the fat globules is 2 micron, and the homogenize at 2 on 2500 to 3000 per square inch psi pressure apply for the subdividing the fat globules. Then packaging of milk, the packaging, that is the packing a commodity into the protective wrapper or container for transport or storage. Then these are the purpose to protecting the milk against the contamination, then loss damage, then helping to in the sale and distribution of milk by packaging, then methods of packing, in bottle packaging, plastic pouch packaging. Okay, then storage of milk, already how to known the storage in different containers, that is vertical, then horizontal. Okay, then oval shape. So in that storage of milk, the packaged milk is stored in cold storage room, that is 5 degrees Celsius, by which the shelf life of milk is increased. Then storing the milk below 5 degrees Celsius, the microbial growth of milk is reduced and the milk can be remain up to 7 days. Okay, then this given for the distribution marketing in the distribution and marketing the milk. Then marketing of milk, the pasteurized milk needs to distributed immediately. It should be placed into the consumer hand early as possible. Then after what is the successful distribution required for milk? The first one is a product of high quality, then an attractive package, neat and courteous route salesman, then delivery equipments of pleasing appearance, then efficient use of men and equipments, then effective advertising, the one more thing for marketing. Then last one is the conclusion. Okay, the conclusion means in that first is the render milk safe for human consumption by destruction of scent percent pathogenic microorganisms. Then second, the processing keeping quality of milk by destruction of almost all the pathogenic organisms, that is 85 to 99%, and increase the shelf life of milk. And then next is the process milk use for the different products preparation. And next one is the terms of process is generally used wide sense in dairy industry and include the pasteurization, homogenization. It is desirable to use a specific terms when only one process uh, is for the milking. And last one is the thank you.